Hello artists, welcome to virtual art lesson number 6, core 3. This one is for 4th through 5th grade with myself, Mrs. Torres. So let's get started, guys. So our vocabulary this week is about our artist Wayne Thiebaud. He's an American painter, best known for his colorful paintings of cakes, foods, and candy. And he is still alive at the age of 100 years old. And he just celebrated just this last November. So how many 100-year-olds do you guys know? Also, our other important word to know and understand is the word form. That means a three-dimensional shape that fills space. So if we want to think about a form as opposed to a shape, when we say shapes, we think circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, you guys know, stuff you learn in kindergarten. But when we say form, we're talking about the 3D ones. Kind of like we would say triangle versus pyramid, or circle versus a sphere. So form is where it gives that look like it's three-dimensional, like it's really there and takes up space, basically. Whereas we just draw a flat shape when it comes to triangles. So our learning objectives. I can use form to create a piece of cake or pie. You guys can have a choice. You can make your cake or pie look however you like, so that it appears 3D. I can describe and identify the difference between a form and a shape. Remember, 3D, flat, 3D, flat. Just to help you out. Alright, so let's get into that lesson. Alright, so for this lesson, guys, you really make sure your paper is turned this way, as we say landscape style. Do not turn it the other way where it's nice and tall. I mean, you can, but I feel like what we're going to do today is going to be a little easier. Do it this way. The very first thing I want you to do is go right in the middle, but just pick somewhere that's the middle of your paper. And you're going to make a line. Like so. And then we're going to create the letter V. Make sure it's nice long, because we're going to be turning this into a piece of cake. And then connect it, kind of like a rounded line. Come back down. We want these lines to be about the same length, so if you need to, you can use your pencil to kind of measure. You gotta make one side a little longer. And connect it. Okay. I mean, you can always adjust it a little more if you don't like how lines are looking, because I know some of mine are a little wonky. Okay. Then next, once you have this, so we have got our form, our three-dimensional pyramid shape, or cake or pie slice. We're going to put it on a plate, so I'm going to go ahead and create an oval. And you can always fix it a little. It's not going to be perfect, guys. Once you have it done, we're going to make an inner circle. As you know, sometimes the plates have like a little dip. Erase this out, so I want to make sure it's even on both sides. Okay, so from here on out, it's going to be up to you how you want to decorate your cake. So go ahead, decide, do you want lots of layers in here, one layer, cherry, chocolate. I'm going to start decorating mine. So let's go ahead and fast forward. Alright, once you have your pie drawn out and decide what you want it, you're going to go in and start coloring. Now, you can choose, like I said, your choice of what color frosting you want, what color bread, but I'm going to ask you, do not outline anything with a dark marker or dark color crayon today. We're going to walk through the steps here. I'm going to color everything in nice and light, and then watch carefully what I'm going to do. So I'm going to fast forward, I'm going to color lightly, not pushing too hard. Okay, so once you've got most of your colors filled in, I'm going to show you how to do some shadows. So what I want you to do is, for the plate, we're going to make a shadow that comes right from the tip of your pie or cake. And we're going to have it come all the way off the side. So really what you're going to do is you want to really color in this line nice and dark so you can still see it. Don't color all of it. And we're going to fill this in. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. Okay, once you have that shadow taken care of, we're gonna move on, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna only darken this part of our cake. The way we can do this is we can try to press a little harder with our colors, or if you want, you can try to lightly go over with some black. So let's go ahead and fast forward. Alright, last but not least, if you have a pair, grab some scissors. We're gonna carefully cut this out. So watch, and I'm gonna fast forward, but you watch carefully. There you have it. It looks like an optical illusion, like you were serving some cake. I look forward to seeing your pictures, guys.